Have you ever stopped to think if someone else did your job with the same dedication and effort but for a lower salary, would your company still keep you? And what if that someone wasn't a person at all, but a computer, one that never complains, has no emotions, never gets tired, and never takes a day off? Wouldn't most of us start to feel unsafe? This is not some imaginary fear, it's already happening. And that's according to Geoffrey Hinton, often called the Godfather of AI, artificial intelligence, or AI might seem like a recent trend, but its roots go back decades. In the 1950s, scientists began thinking about machines that could think like humans. The challenge was figuring out how to know if a machine truly thought like a human. Mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing proposed the Turing test. In 1950, if a human judge couldn't tell the difference between a human's eye and a computer's responses, the computer had passed. For decades, no AI passed. But in 2014, a chatbot named Eugene Guzman fooled 20 out of 30 judges into believing it was a 13-year-old boy from Ukraine. In its early stages, AI could only do simple tasks like playing chess or solving math problems. But advances in deep learning and neural networks have accelerated its capabilities far faster than expected. Geoffrey Hinton worked at Google for 10 years, and when he became convinced that AI could surpass human intelligence, he left to warn the public. His contributions to neural networks and deep learning laid the foundation for modern AI, and he has mentored leading AI scientists like Yann LeCun and Geoffrey Hinton. Now says humans have fallen to second place in intelligence. AI holds the top spot today. AI is assisting humans, but soon it could replace entire professions. According to Hinton, the most at-risk jobs are customer support agents. AI already handles over 80% of customer service for some companies. Klarna's AI chatbot does the work of 700 agents, slashing staff from 7,000 to 3,000. Legal assistants and junior lawyers. AI drafts contracts, summarizes cases, and performs research 10 times faster than humans. Writers, copy editors, content creators, prompt engineers guide AI to produce content. Threatening freelance writers and bloggers. Entry-level jobs for graduates. Data entry, onboarding, and verification tasks are increasingly automated. Software developers' tools like GitHub Copilot allow anyone to code via prompts, reducing the need for traditional developers. Administrative roles, complaint responses, and documentation can now be handled in minutes by AI. Doctors. AI makes doctors up to 5 times more efficient, reducing hiring needs for junior staff. Creative professionals, designers, editors, composers, and animators face growing automation risk. Analysts and knowledge workers. AI can process and summarize vast datasets instantly, more accurately than humans. Even AI-created jobs like prompt engineering may not last. Once AI can write its own prompts, that role disappears too. Still, Hinton notes that jobs requiring hands-on physical work remain relatively safe. For now, plumbers, electricians, construction workers, mechanics, technicians, welders, carpenters, security guards, and therapists. AI, as software, cannot easily perform tasks needing real-world tools and manual skill. But keep in mind, the speed of AI's progress means the list of safe jobs will likely shrink within 5 to 10 years. Hybrid human and AI roles may only be temporary. Eventually, AI will take over the human's share entirely. The safest career moves involve developing skills that combine creativity, strategy, and complex human interaction. Areas where AI still struggles. The takeaway is simple: don't wait until AI takes your job. Upgrade your skills now to stay relevant. If you found this eye-opening, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more in-depth insights on AI technology and the future of work. The changes are coming fast. Make sure you're prepared.